In this video, I am going to solve another interesting problem of model question paper number 4 of the year 2025 to 26. The question is taken from the chapter Arithmetic Progression. Here, both first term and common difference is not given. Sum of certain terms of an AP is given. We have to find the number of terms. Okay, let us read the question. The 10th term of an arithmetic progression is 2 more than the 3 times the first term, and the 8th term is 6 more than twice the first term. Find how many terms of the progression make the sum 540. Now let us solve. What has been given is here 10th term of the AP means A10 is 2 more than 3 times the first term 3a. It means that a10 is a plus 9d. By using the formula an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, that is equal to 2 plus 3a. Now transpose a to other side, 3a minus a, that is equal to 2a. Transpose positive of 9d to other side, it is negative of 9d. Transpose 2 also to other side. All unknown items to left hand side, known items to right hand side. Let this be the equation 1. And we are also given 8th term is 6 more than the twice the first term. 8th term is a plus 7d is equal to 6 plus 2a. Now let us bring all unknown items to LHS. 2a minus a, that is a, minus 7d is equal to negative of 6. This is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Observe the equations. You can solve it by elimination method, but it is laborious to do that. So now let us follow the substitution method. Observe the equation 2. Here we can find a means first term in terms of d, 7d minus 6. Okay, now let us substitute a is equal to 7d minus 6 in equation number 1, that is 2a minus 9d is equal to 2. Instead of a, we have to put 7d minus 6 minus 9d, that is equal to negative of 2. Here multiply, so 14d minus 12, negative of 9d is equal to negative of 2. Observe this thing, negative of 12, transpose it to the other side. 14d and negative of 9d are like terms. 14d negative of 9d is equal to 5d. 12 minus 2, so 5d is equal to 10, d is equal to 10 by 5, that is equal to 2. So now we have the common difference. By using common difference, we can find the first term. Substitute d is equal to 2 in a is equal to 7d minus 6. Instead of d, you have to put 2. So a is equal to 14 minus 6. So a is equal to 8. So 8 is the first term. Now we have find out both common difference and first term. What to find out? N, when sum of first n terms means Sn is equal to 540. Here we have to use the formula for sum of n terms of the AP, because here we know both first term and common difference. This is the formula for the sum of n terms. Remember this carefully. Now substitute 540 instead of Sn, 8 instead of a, and 2 instead of D. Here observe 2 is common. Okay, now 2 we have brought it outside. 8 plus n minus 1. The next step here 2 and 2 get cancels. So n into 8 minus 1, that is 7, plus n. So now we have 540 is equal to n into 7 plus n. That means 540 is equal to 7n plus n square. Write it in the standard form. Now factorize. It is in the standard form. It is a quadratic equation. Solve it either by factorization method or formula method. I have factorized it here. Here n is common. Here negative of 20 is common. Okay, so n plus 27 into n minus 20 is equal to 0. N plus 27 is equal to 0 or n minus 20 is equal to 0. So n is equal to negative of 27 or n is equal to 20. Number of terms cannot be negative. So n is equal to 20. So the number of terms here is 20. I hope you have understood each and every step clearly. If you find the video is helpful, please hit the like button. Please share with your friends also and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.